Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, Tools and Gadgets. Today we're going to be talking about the P2R Core by Led Lenser. Okay, so this will be an unboxing and a review of this bad boy little here. So this comes with a 7-year warranty. Take note guys that out of the box, it only gives you a 5 years warranty. And you need to register the QR code for this serial number right here, and you will get the additional 2 years extension for the warranty. Okay, so this P2R comes with a maximum of 120 lumens up to 65 meters. We have the charts here. 120 lumens up to 65 meters. The runtime will be about 30 minutes, and the 50 lumens maximum distance of 45 meters, you can get a maximum of 1 hour usage. And the 15 lumens, 15 meters distance, you can get a 5 hours usage. Okay, so take note guys, it's an IP54, and the IP54 it's not totally waterproof, but it's just water resistant. And also this comes with a 10440 lithium-ion battery, 200 milliamperes. Well, this just means that it comes with a AAA battery. Okay, so this is what the package comes with. It comes with a battery, the USB cable. Yeah. Okay, so let's open this up. When you open the box, straight away you will see the Led Lenser P2 Core. Let's take that out of the box. Okay, let's slide that out. Okay, so this is the Led Lenser P2R Core. It has a belt clip on it, and the switch is on the back. Yeah. Okay, so let's see what else is inside the box. The USB cable, the manual, the AAA rechargeable battery, this is oh, so you can charge it using the power bank or directly to the outlet. Yeah, so that's about it. Okay. So let's take the battery. So this is the battery guys. So this is a 200 milliampere battery, AAA battery. You can stick the micro USB charger here, and it will light red here. Then when it's full, it just turns off. Okay, so let's stick it in. Oh, by the way guys, the one that I told you earlier that you only get 5 years warranty for this, and you get additional 2 years if you register your product. All you need to do is go on to Led Lenser website and go to the product registration page. Then you just need to enter your details and the serial number right over here. I'll just cover some of it. Yeah. Here on the bottom, yeah, you just need to input the serial number so that you will get the 2 years additional extension for the warranty. Okay, so this little boy right here manages to have 3 modes: the low light, medium, and the high. So this is the low, medium, high. Okay, so you can also half press it. You don't need to click it all the way, and if you're satisfied with that, you can just go ahead and click it. So that's the high power. Yeah, so what I like about these guys is that it snugs perfectly into my Leatherman pouch here on the side. Yeah, just like that. Snugs perfectly in there, and it's just the same size about the Leatherman Charge TTI. Yeah. So size comparison, it's just the same. I could always get the P4R Work or P4R Core, but it's a bit long compared to this one right here. It's just the same size of this Charge TTI. So let's test the light in pitch dark black. Okay guys, so we're back. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or comments, please write it down below in the description. On the comment box, I mean. And see you again next time. Bye!